Hey what's going on guys, this is Vishal here from the Pocket Coder, and today in this video let's unbox a new multimedia speaker by iBall. I just got this packet a moment ago and it's quite cheap. Like I paid around 480 rupees for this multimedia speaker, and I purchased this from Amazon.in and the delivery was a real quick. I ordered this just yesterday morning and I got this on today morning. Here is the bill, or I say invoice, and this is the packet. The packet looks already opened. So again, bad packaging by Amazon. So this is the speaker. Let's keep aside the box. So it is USB powered, as you can see. We got a 3.5mm headphone jack, or I say aux jack, and a USB port. We will use this USB port for powering the speaker. And here you got a volume rocker. The build is nice, at least it feels nice, it's hardy. Now let's come to the speaker. Here you can see the branding of the iBall, and it's pure black. In the bottom of the speaker you will get a foam so that it will have a good grip to the surface, and that's it. The thing I like the most about this speaker is obviously its portability. It is so tiny in size that you can easily carry this in your laptop bag. It will consume less space than your water bottle, and it doesn't need any external power source, so you can easily connect this to your laptop and play a song wherever you want. You can even use this with your smartphone. Just connect the USB port to your smartphone using a OTG cable and use the 3.5mm jack to play songs. Now I'm just going to give you some sound demo.
Doing the right thing. Could lie. Everything that drowns me makes me wanna fly.
So my first impression for this speaker was really great. If you're in a small room, you can even use the speaker with your desktop. And if your budget is really tight, like 500 rupees, then I highly recommend this speaker for you guys. So this was my first impression about the iBall multimedia speaker. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching.